Hi there, Mr. Holcomb here with another episode of The Math Behind the Modules. Okay, so this is a geometric sequence, and it says if a sub n equals 3 times 2 to the n minus 1, then a sub 4 is equivalent to what? All right, this is just a simple substitution problem. So if we have a sub n equal to 3 times 2 to the n minus 1, a sub 4 means a sub n, this is a sub n, n is 4. So it's going to be a sub 4 equals 3 times 2, and wherever you see an n, make it 4. 4 minus 1. So that's going to come out to be a sub 4 equals 3 times 2 to the 4 minus 1. I'm just going to show all my steps. 4 minus 1 is 3. So first we put those two together. That's our exponent. And then we do order of operations. Exponents come before any multiplication. So 2 to the third is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. So this is going to become 3 times 8. So the fourth term of this is 24. A. Okay, here's your other problem that you asked about. And let's see. Which is the fifth term of the geometric sequence for a sub 1 equals 5 and r equals 3? So here is the formula for a geometric sequence in general. A sub n equals the first term times the common ratio to the power of n minus 1. So if we have a sub 1, then we're going to substitute this in. A sub n, so we're going to make n equal to 1 to start this off. A sub 1 equals 5. So the first term, a sub 1 equals 5 times our r is 3, and n is going to be 1 here. 1 minus 1 is 0. So a sub 1 equals 5 times 3 to the 0, which is just 1. So a sub 1 equals 5. So my first term is 5, and my common ratio is 3. So a sub 2 is going to equal my a sub 1 times my common ratio to the power of n, which in this case is 2, minus 1, which is 1. So my second term is going to be 5 times 3 to the 2 minus 1 is 1, which is just simply 3. So a sub 2 equals 15. So really, once we find our first term, our common ratio is just simply multiple of these. This multiple gets you to the next term. You're multiplying each term by 3. So if the first term is 5, the second term is 5 times 3. The third term is the second term times 3, which is 45. And you can do it this way, 45 times 3, and then finally the fifth term. Okay, or you could just simply go a sub 5 equals my first term times my ratio to the power of n minus 1. So a sub 5 is going to equal 5 times 3 to the 4th power. So a sub 5 is going to equal 5 times, and just to save time here, I'm going to take 3 to the 4th power. 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27 times 3 is 81. 81. So a to the 5th is going to be 5 times 1, 5 times 8, and we are done. It is B. Okay, hopefully that helped.